Hey folks, Mike.Bassett here, Guaranty RV Supercenters in Little Junction City, Oregon. First I want to tell you a little bit about our dealership. We're huge. We've got some really neat things. We got an RV park with entertainment every Friday night. We've got a restaurant. We've got service 7 days a week. Nobody has that. And what I want to show you is a fresh unit we got in. It's really neat floor plan. It's a 2019 Heartland Elkridge 37RK. That stands for rear kitchen. So I'm just show you a little bit on the outside and then we'll take a look inside. We got blue LED lights, so when you're running at night it'll light up all this area. LED docking lights right here, so if you're disconnecting at night it really provides a lot of light out here. You got a plug-in over here for solar panel. So it's a portable solar panel that you can plug in, and like today you'd open it up and set it down right here and it would provide trickle charge to your batteries. You've got two slides on this side. These are actually functional deals right here. What it does is it flips your seals the correct way when the slide outs are going in and out. This has got 6-point leveling, and they're all automatic leveling, provides you a lot of stability. Let's go around the other side now. Okay, so we got an automatic awning right here with just a push of a button. The awning comes out, LED strip across the top so it lights up your patio. Boat style marine grade speakers for the outside. Pretty nice feature here, we got magnets up top here, so if I have a handful of supplies, I don't have to set it down. It'll just hold the door up just like that. Slide all my stuff in. Lots of room for storage, all your stuff. And then these are slam latches. Just very automotive feel to them. 4 steps instead of 3. The Elkridge features a 3-year structural warranty, and also it's got the weather guard, so it'll protect you if it's cold or hot out. So the thing I really like about this floor plan is there's definite distinctions of rooms. This is your galley. You've got your dinette over here in the slide out. This is always going to be your patio side, so when you're eating, having coffee, you're looking at your own patio, not your neighbor's. Look at all the counter space in this. Just huge counter space. 4-door refrigerator, the Furrion real residential looking oven and cooktop. That came from the boat industry where it takes a lot of pounding, and so they hold up really well. And then we'll walk into the living area over here. Again, real distinctive rooms in this floor model. You got 2 slide outs here, so it's very big. Thomas Paine collection on your furniture. It's all leather. Big TV, fireplace, high ceilings, lots of LED lights, ceiling fan, lots of storage all across here. And now let's go upstairs. Big bathroom, nice big shower. I'm 6'4" and I can fit in it just fine. And back into the bedroom, a king size bed. In here you've got your hookups for your washer and dryer. You can either do a small Splendid combination or a stackable. It's got enough room in here. You can put a TV right up there. And so come on down and take a look at this one. This is a great floor plan. Thanks a lot. Mike.Bassett, Guaranty RV Supercenters.